Aplos Accounting Software offers streamlined financial management for nonprofits, churches, and small businesses. Aplos simplifies complex accounting tasks with intuitive fund tracking, donation management, and customizable reporting tools. Seamlessly integrating with popular platforms, Aplos ensures efficiency and accuracy in your financial processes. Here are some key features of the Aplos accounting software. 1. ACH payment processing. 2. Subscription management. 3. Campaign management. 4. Credit card processing. 5. Real-time analytics. 6. Fundraising management. 7. Donation management. Let's have a look at some benefits of using Aplos accounting software. 1. Streamlined financial management. 2. Simplified fund tracking. 3. Efficient donation management. 4. Customizable reporting tools. 5. Seamless integration capabilities. 6. Accuracy and compliance. 7. Time-saving automation. At Meru Accounting, we have skilled professionals in utilizing Aplos accounting software. We offer expertise in maximizing the features of Aplos to streamline your financial processes. Trust our experienced team to handle your accounting needs efficiently and effectively with Aplos. Here are some services we offer using Aplos accounting software. 1. Electronic payment processing service. 2. Subscription administration service. 3. Marketing campaign coordination. 4. Secure card payment handling. 5. Real-time performance insights. 6. Fundraising strategy management. 7. Donor contribution oversight. Aplos software is favored by small nonprofits and churches for its user-friendly interface, affordability, and seamless integration with payment processors and donor management platforms, streamlining fundraising and financial reporting. Partner with Meru Accounting today and transform your business with the power of Aplos invoice software. Contact us now.